Morning, Trojans. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Had an opportunity to, check out the Husker spring game like most of the teammates group, or just watch it on TV like me, I guess. Or had an opportunity to get outside and check out a beautiful Sunday. We were blessed with great weather on Sunday after a kind of a cold, wet, dreary day on Saturday. So hopefully you're able to enjoy that. Looking back at last week, we last week, our Monday mission was to take ownership in your words or actions, and that's something that we've talked about multiple times throughout the year. We need to understand that our words and our actions are powerful, and they can have an effect on others. So when we make a mistake, or we do something that was regrettable, that we take ownership, accept responsibility for those actions or those words, apologize, and do your best to amend, the things that you did that were inappropriate. So, that's something to continue to reflect on, continue to grow at, and get better at each week. Students of the week. Last week we had Elizabeth Kubik and Joe Williams. Congratulations to those two students. Looking forward to another crop of students coming up this week. Our Monday mission this week is to celebrate successes. With the Trojan Way, we're constantly preaching about, striving for high achievement. However, it's always important to reflect back on the successes that you've had along the way, no matter how big or small that they are. It's important to take that time to celebrate the success so that you continue to be motivated, and that you and those around you are always striving to go to new heights of the achievement. So take time to reflect, look back on your achievement, and be happy, be excited, and then look forward to creating new successes for yourself. Some other ways that you can celebrate success. One thing you could do is tell your team or teammates that they did a great job and that you're proud of their efforts. Don't forget to give plenty of high fives. Some other things that you can do to maybe help reward or incentivize, successes along the way is to treat that group of people to a barbecue. You can invite people to your house. You can have a cookout or something like that. Just have a low-key time to reflect and relax, and to celebrate the great achievement that you and others had together. Another couple of ways is to take a group to a movie. Invite some friends to a movie. Take some ownership, take some leadership, and be that person that organizes that event or group for others. And then maybe, with summertime coming around the corner, maybe invite a group to a swimming party. Celebrate those successes by getting a group together, and I'll go to the YMCA, or with the summer approaching and the lake being available, that might be a way to get a group together and just say, hey, really proud of what we did. We accomplished a great deal. Awesome job, and let's go have some fun and reflect on the great things that we did. Last week of April, our Trojan Way focus is going to be rude, mean, or bullying. One thing that we're going to do we've got to watch some videos, we've got to watch some informative information this month on whether situations are rude, whether they're mean, or whether they're bullying. What we're going to get to do with each of your BIS groups is take some time this week and brainstorm and create what a video would look like, and then next week we're going to take some time to actually shoot the video. So you're going to have time to get with your groups. You're going to make a little bit of a short movie demonstrating what you and your group think are examples of rude, mean, and bullying, and then that way we can share that with the groups. There's going to be a prize at the end of the rainbow for the group that has the best video. So looking forward to having that. Looking forward to getting to see what all the groups come up with together, and with their collaborative efforts. So hope everybody has a great week. It's going to be another awesome week here at Cambridge Public Schools as we're getting closer to the end of the school year. The days are just we're getting very short on days, so hopefully we can take time to reflect on each other and celebrate the successes that we've had along the way. Have a great week, and go Trojans.